When the MAHLER family arrived at Paradise Resort, they weren't expecting this. The family was the first to check in to the newly renovated resort.
Yeah, that was fantastic. We were really special that we can be here during the opening day.
Over the past 5 months, it's undergone an $8 million facelift, including a new lobby and reception, restaurants, playground, refurbished water park and updated kids club.
And I guess it's like, turning a cygnet into a swan, and this really has a new birth to the property and a huge future moving forward.
Now they're working on the rooms. The old furniture moved out and given away. The resort staff moved in to help, kept on the books, while COVID kept them from work.
They've painted the whole of the property, the inside and out. They've been doing cleaning all throughout the property. They've been working in the gardens.
And their efforts have paid off. The first guests, very impressed.
I want to do everything, to be honest. I'm very excited.
And the upgrades are continuing. Next, an adults-only pool area where parents can truly relax. Josh ADSETT, 7 Gold Coast News.